Hey y'all, so today I wanted to try out this new color mini 4-piece nail kit that I picked up at Dollar Tree. I've had it for a while and actually forgot about it until I was searching for some polish to use tonight, and I came across my new color pack. I haven't even opened it yet, I don't think. So I wanted to go ahead and polish my nails. I kind of wanted to do the purple and maybe the glitter. Or maybe I want to kind of use all of them, but I just don't know how to incorporate all the colors to make them look right with my nails being so short. Like if I had on some tips or something, I probably could do some little art or something with it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and crack it open and polish my nails with these. I'm also going to use this LA Colors Peel Off Base Coat. I think I've used it like once. You could see it's barely even gone. And see how this works, so I won't have to worry about, using any nail polish remover or anything to take it off. I could just peel it off, hopefully, if it works. So I'm going to do this first and then get started with the colors. Go ahead and open this first. Yeah, I haven't opened it. It's still taped on both sides. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and do both of the colors. Well, actually all three. Not this one, because it's just kind of these two are just kind of Halloween looking to me. So we'll go ahead and test out these and see how they look. I'm gonna start with this one, and I think I'm gonna do this color on my pinky. Let me shake it up a little bit more. Pretty thin. Definitely gonna need probably 2 to 3 coats. I didn't think if I want it on another nail. I don't know yet. The purple. Oh, the purple has it's a shimmer to it as well. It's kind of hard to see. I don't know. You guys see that? Little hints of pink and darker purple shimmers in there. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Do this one on the ring finger. It is more of a cream, but it does have a good amount of little shimmery glitter pieces in it. I'm trying to think if I want to put the green here or I don't know. I'm just gonna go over here while I'm thinking about it. I think I'm gonna do these two. I'm gonna switch it up. Alright, you guys, I'm done. Oh my gosh, I didn't get as much in the clip as I would like to because I forgot to push record during some parts, but at the end there you see me applying these gold stickers, which were breaking on me each time I would pick one up. I don't even think I've had these that long. I think I got these a few months ago with my Model 1 stuff. I don't know, I can't remember. But I decided to go ahead and just put on some gold stickers. I could not get this open because I did want to put that on as a top coat. I was gonna do it on top of the purple, but I couldn't get it open, number one, and then if I wanted to use the stickers, it's silver, and then I have the gold stickers. It didn't match. I did have those other stickers in mind. I don't even know if I recorded that part where I was showing you guys which one I was gonna use these, but they don't match with this color. And then I had these in mind, but they don't match with this color, which is why I was gonna do all purple at first. I didn't even think about, you know, the other color. Even I could have did white, but whatever. So I just went ahead and did just the gold stickers on a couple nails because I'm not gonna wear these too long anyways. And since I've had these stickers for a while, apparently I need to go ahead and hurry up and use them. I don't know if you guys can see over here. Those are the ones that broke. All of them broke except for these two. Well, 3. So I'm just putting some cuticle oil on because that acetone, when I do my cleanup, dries my skin out so bad. And I put cuticle oil in my acetone for that reason, because it always turns my skin so dry whenever I apply it, but that still doesn't really help. So all right, y'all, all done. I just applied my Onyx Professional Cuticle Oil that I got from TJ Maxx, and the color of the oil is actually blue. I thought just the bottle was blue, but when I was putting drops of it in my nail polish remover, it's actually blue. So yes, use that. And my 2 new color glitters. And you know what I'm just now noticing, you guys? I said new color glitters because I just noticed that it says glitter on it. I remember I was opening it and I was like, oh, this is a shimmer. So this one isn't. It's a regular cream. Of course, it's a glitter. So 3 glitters and a cream that came in a little mini kit that I got from Dollar Tree. They usually have those all the time in a lot of different colors. I have a video where I shared like a bunch of packs that had a bunch of different colors in them, but I think they were eye glow. But you can find these too as well. So yeah, y'all, that's it. I am all done with my nails of the day. I'm with my nails of a few days, maybe a week.